Bitcoin wallet. This is one of the first terms every beginner hears, and also one of the most misunderstood. Because when people hear the word wallet, they often imagine something like a normal wallet in their pocket. But a Bitcoin wallet works differently. A Bitcoin wallet does not literally store your Bitcoin the way a leather wallet stores cash. Instead, a Bitcoin wallet is a tool that helps you access, manage, and send your Bitcoin. A simple way to think about it is this: your Bitcoin exists on the Bitcoin network. What the wallet does is help you interact with that network. It helps you see your balance, receive Bitcoin, send Bitcoin, and manage the keys connected to your funds. Some wallets are mobile apps, some are desktop apps, some are hardware devices, and some are even designed for advanced users who want more control. So when someone says, I have a Bitcoin wallet, what they usually mean is that they have a way to access and control their Bitcoin. This is where beginners often make a mistake. They think the app itself is the money, but the app is really just the interface. The wallet is the bridge between you and the Bitcoin network. Another important idea is that not all wallets are the same. Some wallets give you full control. Others are more like custodial services where another company is still holding the real control for you. And that difference matters a lot. Because in Bitcoin, control is one of the biggest ideas. If your wallet gives you real control over your keys, then you are much closer to true ownership. If it does not, then you may only be using Bitcoin through someone else's system. So what is a Bitcoin wallet? A simple answer is this: a Bitcoin wallet is a tool that helps you access, manage, receive, and send Bitcoin. It is not the Bitcoin itself. It is the tool that connects you to it. And once you understand that, many other Bitcoin concepts start becoming much easier to understand.